Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how I make this delicious and perfect imitation crab ceviche. It's so refreshing and so perfect for the summer heat, and not only that, but it's healthy and economical. So if you want to learn how I make my imitation crab ceviche, please keep watching. And if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. For today's recipe, we will need 1 whole cucumber, 1 onion, 4 Roma tomatoes, 1 bunch of cilantro, 2 carrots, 6 to 7 serranos. If you don't like it spicy, you can do less. We're going to use Maggi Jugo, and this is similar to Worcestershire, so if you have Worcestershire, you can use that. Otherwise, you can find this in the Hispanic section of stores. Salt to taste, Clamato, lemon juice, and it's not lemon season, so I don't have any lemons, but if it was, I would use about 5 or 6 juicy lemons. And I'm going to be using 2.5 pounds of imitation fully cooked crab. What to do is dice up our tomatoes. Once we chop up all of our tomatoes, we're going to put them in this glass bowl. And you want to use a glass bowl because plastic tends to have a reaction with the acid of the lime. So now we're going to cut our cucumber. Same thing, we're also going to dice it. So for cucumber, I like to cut it in half. Of course, I peeled it. Cut it in another half. Just continue cutting in halves. So I want these to be super small cubes. Okay, once you have them like that, you're just gonna cut right through. I love cucumber in my ceviche. It's not always accustomed to use it, but I feel like it's very refreshing and, like I said, perfect for this hot weather. And once you chop all of it, you can just run your knife through one more time to make sure that you get them a little bit finer and there's no big chunks. We're going to chop up our serrano peppers. Again, you want to cut them in half. And in half again. We're going to chop up our little bushel of cilantro. What I like to do is roll it up and then start chopping. And just make sure that you always sharpen your knife before use, because a dull knife is actually more dangerous than a sharp knife. If you sharpen it all the time before use, you'll always have a sharp knife. Otherwise, honestly, with the first use, it gets really dull. Next, we're going to dice the carrots. And I cut them similar to the way I cut the cucumber. So I cut them in half. These are a bit hard. And then again in half. I think I need a sharper knife. And then cut across. Next, we're going to chop up our onion. And I like to cut across. And it's recommended you leave the tail on. It's supposed to decrease the gases that come out and make you cry, although that's never the case for me. Here is our imitation crab. I'm going to cut the package open. It should already be flaky. And as you can see, I have all my ingredients in here. I've mixed them up. So now all I have to do is mix in my crab. And as you can see, they're just super flaky. So you just shred them in there. You don't have to chop them up or anything like that. You just shred them in there. And you can add the whole 2 pounds, or I mean as much as you want to eat. This package came in 2.5 pounds. However, I don't think I'm going to fit 2.5 pounds in this bowl. I don't have a bigger one, so I'll probably save the rest for next week. This weekend my mom's coming over, so I'm sure this will be gone, and so next week I can make some more. So you continue to do this, and I'm going to see if I can fit it all, but so far I've done half and it's looking pretty good. I'll let you guys know how much I end up using. Alright, so I was able to use about 2 pounds. So there's still half a pound left. But as we eat, I'm sure I can add some to my mixture. It's not really a lot. And so what you want to do now is just incorporate everything really well. Just mix it up. If you see any crab like little chunks, just press them through. Like I said, they're just so easy to shred. So now we're going to add some lemon juice. And like I said, it should be the juice about 5 or 6 lemons, depending on the size. If they're small, you're gonna wanna add probably like 8 or 9. Honestly, in my opinion, this is all up to taste. Everyone has different palates. So some people, I have a friend, she loves sour. Like, she loves sour drinks, she loves sour food, she likes to eat the lemon by itself. And I have others who do not like sour, and they lean more towards the sweet. So if you're one of those people who doesn't like things sour, just measure your lemon juice a little bit less. So that's what I'm gonna add about right now, and then I'll see once I taste it if I want to add more. Now I'm going to add the Maggi sauce, and like I said, if you have Worcestershire, you can go ahead and use that. And you're gonna add about, I'm gonna say about a teaspoon to a teaspoon and a half. And everyone makes their their crab ceviche different. I make my shrimp and my crab ceviche different from each other. So, like I said, you can customize this. You don't have to add carrots. I like the crunch. You don't have to add Worcestershire. You could just add lemon and salt and you're good to go. So this is kind of like a pico de gallo in a way. Now we're going to add about 4 ounces of Clamato. And I absolutely love Clamato. I put Clamato in my beer. I drink Clamato when I'm hungover. Clamato is my go-to. So we're gonna start off with 4 ounces. And mix that all in, and then I'm going to add the salt. And here is our ceviche tostada. I've paired it with some Estrella Jalisco beer, and I like I said in the video, I love pouring some Clamato into the Estrella, and it pairs perfectly with this tostada. It's super juicy, refreshing, and flavorful. Perfect for the summer heat. There you guys have it, this delicious and perfect ceviche de jaiba. It's imitation crab, and so refreshing, healthy, and economical. No cooking involved, so you don't have to slave over the stove, and you can easily feed about 6 to 8 people. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, if you did, please give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.